Hello students, welcome to Poseidon Medical Coding Institute. Today we are going to discuss about the medical coding, okay, and career opportunity, what will be the roadmap, okay, complete details about the medical coding. So first we will check the medical coding definition. What is the medical coding? So medical coding is nothing but conversion of diagnosis, procedure and any supplies or services, okay, into the alphanumerical or numeric code, okay, in simple language. So the diagnosis is nothing but the disease condition, okay. So we convert through the ICD, International Classification of Disease. In that we have the alphanumerical code 3 digit to 7 digit, okay, and CPT for the procedure code, means for the surgery, that is the 5 digit numeric code, okay. And for the services we have SCPC level 2. In that we give the supplies and drug coding. That's also the alphanumeric code, but 5 digit code only, okay. And what is the use of this medical coding? It is used for the billing purpose, okay, for the insurance claim, then the compliance and the healthcare analytics, okay. So these are the sectors where we are using this medical coding, okay. And we require the core skill to become a medical coder, and that skill we provided through the Poseidon Medical Coding Institute, okay. So the next point is who gives the CPC certification, okay. AAPC, which is the American Academy of Professional Coders, that is conducting the CPC examination, and once you got the passing, okay, once you pass, then you got the credential as a certified professional coder, okay. So that is the world largest organization for the medical coding training and certification, and this CPC certification is worldwide acceptable. So if you planning to go abroad or any top MNC companies, so definitely CPC will be very helpful for you. Next is the what is the CPT, ICD and SCPCS. CPT is nothing but the current procedure terminology. So current procedure terminology. So the current procedure means surgery. So we are dealing with surgery or procedure with CPT, okay. So that is a 5 digit codes and completely numerics. And the ICD is the International Classification of Disease, that clinical modification. So in that we will classify the disease condition, okay. So disease condition are the alphanumerically classified, okay, and the code are alphanumerical, and this is classified into alphabetically, okay, and these codes are from 3 digit to 7 digit. Next is the SCPCS, Healthcare Common Procedural Coding System. In that we give the services code, okay. For example, ventilation, dilation or any drug supplies, we give the coding to that. That is also the alphanumerical code and 5 digit, okay. So what is the syllabus of CPC, okay, and what is the weightage? So CPC contain the CPT, ICD, then in that CPC we have some chapters, for example, evaluation and management, anesthesia, then surgery, then radiology, lab and path, medicine, okay. We'll check the weightage of that. ICD having the 10 to 15%, CPT having the CPT guidelines having the 10 to 15%, ENM chapter, that is evaluation and management, we have 10%, anesthesia for the 5%, and the surgery 35 to 40%, okay. Radiology, lab and path and medicine, that 3 chapters contain the 10 to 15% weightage, okay. This is the syllabus and weightage. We will complete the each and every syllabus chapters, okay, in our CPC program. The CPC exam pattern is 100 multiple choice question, okay. So you will get the MCQs, multiple choice question, and the duration of this exam is 4 hours. So time management is the crucial thing for this examination, and we'll we'll work on that time management as well. So the passing score is 70%, okay. Once you got the 70 marks, you will get passed, okay. And this is the open book examination, okay. Open book examination means you will provide AAPC provide you the CPT as well as SCPC and ICD book. So with the help of book you can give the examination, okay. So who can do the CPC? Okay, lots of people are having doubts. I want to do medical career, okay, in the medical coding field, but I don't have such a knowledge whether I am eligible or not, okay. So any life science graduate, for example nursing, then the pharmacist, okay, pharmacy, then the doctors, for example MBBS, BHMS, any life science graduation. Not only that, we have the BSc microbiology, BSc chemistry. Okay, so any degree, any graduation having the life science, in for example, anatomy and physiology section. Okay, so they can join, or those who are already joined in some other field, for example, marketing, manufacturing. Okay, or in a registered pharmacist, they also can join or switch to career with the help of CPC. Okay, so our winning strategies, we complete the guidelines. Okay, from the basic to advanced, every chapter, each and every chapter we complete the guidelines, so that will not help you in just passing the CPC, also that will help in the doing the actual live coding. Okay, so the chapter wise question practice we'll do, and with the help of this chapter wise question practice, we'll get to know the whether you understood this chapter completely or not. Okay, focus on the accuracy. We do focus on accuracy and the exam orientation approach, so you'll not disappointed anywhere. Okay, so the mock test length is then once you complete the syllabus, we'll conduct the 7 mock tests. Okay, in that 7 mock tests, if you perform the above 90% scores, then you are eligible to do the CPC examination, and you can give the CPC exam. Okay, so industry orientation training. So our USP is we provide the industry level coding knowledge. Okay, not just the CPC. Once you pass the CPC, what is after that? Okay, so we give the exact detailed orientation to the industry level skill, because I have the 6 year plus industry experience. So from the basic medical coding to the QA and the interview management, so I am in the interview panel most of the time, so I have knowledge from the basics, from coding to interview. Okay, so the interview preparation, what will be the do's and don'ts, we provide you the live coding training and the real chat exposure. Okay, so you'll get the real chat project exposure, so before the joining the industry. Okay, so the industry experts for the MNC companies. Okay, so we'll provide you the exact material, okay, exact the skills which required for the MNC companies. Okay, so as earlier I told you, I have 6+ medical coding experience. Okay, I have hands-on medical coding, as well as I work in the Optum as a quality analyst. So there also I have huge experience about the auditing. Now I'm currently working as a senior team leader. So I'm been in the panel of interview as a technical round. Okay, so you will learn common mistakes and how to avoid them. Okay, also for the our advantage point is we have the 11,000 plus LinkedIn connection. So that connection having the top leaders from the MNC company, so that will help you to get a job and placement. Okay, why Pasadena Medical Coding Institute? We have well structured for the beginners to advanced complete course. Also we orientation exam, then job, then industry skill in one program. Okay, so that's why we are providing 100% passing as well as 100% placement guarantee. Okay, so these are the complete details about our class and CPC and medical coding. If you have any doubt, you can reach out to the Pasadena Medical Coding Institute. I given you the mobile number and the Pasadena Medical Coding Institute address, so you can visit the class as well. Okay, if you like it, share to your friends who want to do the career in the medical coding. Thank you.